Okay, so this is the leg press machine. These are different, and it is different in comparison to the plate loaded one. So the big difference between the two of them is this one is basically, think of it as like push to start, the other one is release to start. Think of it like that. When you're on this one, the key thing you want to make sure that you're doing is that you are close enough to do it. So with this, you want to make it so when I come back, I'm keeping basically like a 90-degree bend in here. To start with, as I come up, as I push out, I want to make sure that when it comes down, it doesn't, so for example, if I'm too close, this will happen. Like, one, I can't get in. The other one, once I get going, if I'm too close, every time I come down, like, it's gonna force me for my hips to come up, like my hips will raise. Like, it's too much. So right now, my lower back is arching. This is spinal flexion, so what we want. So bring yourself out. If I'm too far backwards, the opposite will happen. I'll keep stacking the weight before I even manage to get the range or the stretch. So I want you to do is go in the middle where you can get like a good stretch, 90-degree bend, press out, be under tension, not hit the stack, and be able to come out. That's it.